So far, we learned about the definition of range as the measure of variability in the data. But again, the range only takes on the maximum and minimum value, just two values. Another measure of variability, which is very useful, is called the standard deviation. To find the standard deviation, we're going to use our calculator. To find the standard deviation, or ST, we use our calculator. So what are the steps in using a calculator and find the standard deviation? First of all, make sure to reset your calculator. First, reset your calculator. To reset your calculator, turn on your calculator, click on second and plus. Second plus. And then find reset, which is number 7. I'll move this a little bit closer. You're going to reset two things, all RAM and the defaults. Click on all RAM, enter, and then reset. We're going to repeat this process again. Second plus, reset, and now you're going to reset the defaults. Perfect. So here, you're going to reset the whole thing. Now what? Now you're going to enter the data into calculator. So these are the data that we have for this company. Now, enter the data into calculator. So what are you going to do? You're going to click on Stat. Then you're going to select Edit. And then enter these numbers into L1, one column. In L1. The very first salary is $41,000. $41,000, enter. $45,000. Let me delete this one. $45,000, and then $44,000. And then you have $42,000. You have $38,000. Then you have $47,000. Oh, I made a mistake. So let me edit this. I'm gonna go here and click on delete. $47,000. Then you have $41,000. Then $39,000. What's the next salary? Next salary is $41,000. And $37,000. Very good. So now what? We entered everything in L1. Now we're going to go to Stat again. So Stat. And then you're going to use arrow key to find your calc. So calc needs to be selected. And one variable statistics needs to be visible there. One variable stats. Then enter. Make sure L1 is on the screen, L1, because we entered everything in L1. Frequency list is empty. You're going to go to calculate and enter. Very good. So here you see X bar, which is the mean of the data. The mean is $41,500. Now, let us go further down. Here we have S sub X, which represents the standard deviation of sample. So if this company is a sample taken, then you're going to say, hey, the standard deviation of the sample is S sub X, which is, let's see, it's about $3,136. About $3,136. But if the question says, hey, you have a population, you're going to forget about S of X and you're going to use the Greek letter sigma sub x. Sigma sub x, which is the standard deviation of population, which is about, as you can see, it's a little bit smaller, $2,975. So what's the meaning of these numbers? It says, hey, on average, so standard deviation tells us that if we randomly select a salary, the deviation from the mean is on average about, so if you just want to round this, is about $3,000.